out too early.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? And I leave a lot on the table where I'm starting out.
That's what you're chipping away at.
That's what I'm chipping away at. Yeah.
And
Hi, my name's Paul. I've joined the program about 6 months ago, and I've been in the corporate sector for around 25 years. Very excited to be here. The things that I looked for when I was choosing the right company and people to work with was the fact that I wanted someone that I could rely on and a coach that would be there for me on a consistent basis, and I found that through the trading coach and through Ron. I'm learning how to trade Forex. I love it. I've reached a good level so far, and I'm looking forward to the next journey. Thank you.